Not wearing underwear is far healthier than most people realize, and biology explains why. Clothing traps heat, moisture, and constant friction against some of the most sensitive skin on the body. When underwear is removed, airflow increases immediately, allowing temperature to regulate naturally and sweat to evaporate instead of accumulating. This matters because warm, damp environments create the perfect conditions for bacteria and yeast to multiply. Over time, that raises the risk of irritation, inflammation, and skin imbalance. From a biological perspective, reduced friction also means reduced stress on nerve endings and the skin barrier. Tight fabrics can cause micro damage you don't feel at first, but that builds silently over time. Without underwear, the skin recovers faster and maintains a healthier microbiome. At night, the benefits become even stronger. Better ventilation helps the body cool down, which supports deeper sleep and hormone regulation. Cooler temperatures also support reproductive health, less irritation, better recovery, and a system that functions closer to its natural design.